What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 2010 G10 Premium Mustang. If you can see right here, I'm working on the passenger side. Right here is your windshield wiper fill valve, and if you can look right down there behind it, you'll see that's your headlight. All you pretty much gotta do is just reach down there like this, and I'm spinning it up like that, and once you do that, your bulb will come out. And all you got to do is just unplug your bulb from out your electrical harness, and you'll pretty much be done. Once you do that, you just want to stick it back into the opening and lock it back in place. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a 2010 G10 Premium Mustang. It's probably the same for multiple years. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.